Welcome to Trani's restaurant. My name is Simone. I come from Parma, Italy. And if you come here, you sign in for a very good time.
I'm getting these clams out. These clams come from back east. Unfortunately, they're farm raised, but that's the way the law. That's the new law. And they come from Florida. We're going to do Trani's famous Linguini fresh clams, which my father taught me in the early 50s how to make it. Literally, my brothers used to go down to Royal Palms in San Pedro and fill up pepperoncini containers of ocean water, and they soak the clams. Clams used to come in bushels, and they were always loaded with sand. So my brothers would soak it in ocean water, and they'd spit out the sand. What I'm going to do here, these have already been purged. There's no sand in them, so I'm going to put some hot water, and I'm going to steam them. To enhance things, I put a couple of scoops of chopped clams in there, just to make it look better. That was my addition. Okay, I'm gonna season it right now. Season it right now. I'm gonna put a heaping tablespoon of butter, a pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, and we're gonna put a teaspoon of oleo for the garlic. And that's it. 5 minutes, it'll be ready to go. Okay, here's the finished product after 5 minutes of steaming them out. Okay, I'm taking the clams out right now, all ready to go. They're all fresh clams. Got the juice. Take a spiral of linguini. Takes about 1 minute to reheat. The linguini's done. We're approaching the finished product. Here we have fresh Italian parsley from our garden. Little Italian parsley on top. It's ciabatta bread. It's the best bread you'll ever eat.
Put that on the plate.
There you go. Yeah. Fresh ciabatta bread. Die for it. Come on, let's go in the bar. You want to sit at the bar?
Yeah.
All right. We got married in the house.
Oh wow.
And I got invited, but I couldn't go. They had a banister.